In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Wix Payments account, a crucial step in enabling seamless transactions on your website. Now, let's dive right into it to make sure that you're all set up to start receiving payments with ease. First, you need to head over to the Wix website. This is the foundational step, so make sure you're at the right place. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon. This little icon is your gateway to personalizing and configuring your Wix account, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, you'll see an option that says Account Settings. This is where you'll manage all your account preferences, including payments. Click on Account Settings to proceed. At this stage, you're getting closer to setting up your payment methods, so just follow along and we'll get it done in no time. Now that you've accessed your account settings, the next step is to navigate to the Payment Method section. You'll see this option somewhere in the Settings menu. Click on Payment Method, and this will open up a new page dedicated to setting up how you'll receive payments through Wix, laying down the groundwork for your financial transactions. Here comes an important part. You need to fill in your details. This means entering your necessary financial information, which will allow payments to be processed and transferred seamlessly. Ensure that the information you provide is accurate and current, as this will avoid any potential disruptions in receiving your payments in the future. After you've entered your details, it's time to select your preferred payment method. From this screen, you can choose from a variety of options, depending on what's available to you and what best fits your business needs. Wix offers different payment methods, and selecting the right one will ensure that your customers have a smooth checkout experience. And just like that, you're well on your way to completing the setup of your Wix Payments account. This setup is designed to be straightforward, but it's important to double-check that all details are correct before finalizing everything. Remember, setting this up correctly will not only help your business operate efficiently, but also enhance your customers' overall experience. With these steps completed, your Wix site is ready to process payments. Feel free to explore more options within your Wix account to further customize and optimize your site. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to check out more of our tutorials to get the most out of your Wix experience.